welcome to another episode. Here we're going to exactly configure, I'm going to show you how to configure Firebase. This is continuation from creating the service account from the identity access management portion. This one should be relatively simple. For those who don't know what Firebase is, it belongs to Google and it's pretty much a NoSQL database that lets organizations save and synchronize data in real time across other users' devices. And you can use this for running like backend code, using HTTPS requests and software development kits. And you can also run cloud scheduler jobs as well. All right. Once you get to Firebase, you want to click Get Started with the Firebase project. At the bottom, it's very small, but it shows I already have a Google Cloud project. Add Firebase to Google Cloud project. You want to click your existing cloud project that you created, which is Security 510. You want to click Continue, and you want to use the method Pay as you go, and you want to confirm plan, and click Continue, and then unselect Google Analytics. We don't need that for this, and then click Add Firebase. And now this project is going to be loading, it's provision the resources and etc. So I'm going to pause it until it finishes. Well, never mind. It finished already. Click continue. And then now we're going to go to build at the bottom and go to authentication and click get started. This portion deals with how you're going to exactly sign in to your accounts. There's different ways you can do it, but here we're going to do anonymous. And this allows you to do guest accounts. You want to click enable right here and just click save. And then go down. You want to go down to build again and go to real-time database. And then hit create database. And then keep it the same way. Go to next. Set the default rules. And you want to start it in lock mode. So that way it's more secure. Click enable. This allows you to deny all your reads and writes, by the way. Now we want to go back to build. Go to Firestore database. And we want to create a database here. I'm going to name this database ID, keep it default, location, United States, cool, click next. And we want to start this in production mode. And then hit enable, well, create. All right, now everything is provisioned correctly. Before I go any further, because I know I was flying through everything, I wanted to show you, well, tell you exactly what's the difference between Google Cloud's Firebase and Firestore. They are related, but they have different purposes as far as app development and data management. The main differences you need to know is that Firebase is for building web and mobile applications, and it's also NoSQL as well for streamline app development and tools. So if you're talking about cloud messaging, hosting, authentication, real-time database, that's Firebase. But Firestore is more so, it's also NoSQL, but it's for document database. And to be more specific, Firestore is under Firebase. It also has real-time offline support, and it deals with more so of the storing and syncing query data for web and mobile applications. So think of now the final part we're going to do, which shouldn't take too long, is we're going to move to the portion of configuring the Firebase command line interface. Want to go back to your terminal, clear this out real quick, type clear, and you want to actually authenticate your Firebase command line interface by typing, you're supposed to validate for, just click up, go back to Firebase login, no host, capital Y for yes, you're going to get a code. Now what I have to do is go to this link again, going to send a brand new code, continue, allow, yes, just ran this command, and yes, this is my session ID. Okay, now you want to copy this code. This is the code you want to actually use to validate. Go ahead and paste that in, and you in there. Now you're successfully logged in as your email address. Now Firebase, everything is properly configured. Should be good to go now.